The origins of Earth can be traced back to the birth of our solar system around 4.5 billion years ago. The process began with the formation of the Sun, which ignited through the collapse of a giant cloud of dust and gas, known as the solar nebula. As the cloud collapsed, it began to spin, forming a disk of dust and gas around the Sun. As the disk cooled, small particles of dust and ice began to stick together, forming small bodies known as planetesimals. These planetesimals would eventually collide and merge to form larger bodies, and through a process known as accretion, they would eventually form the planets of the solar system. It is believed that Earth formed through the gradual accumulation of these smaller bodies, which eventually formed a planet with a solid crust and an atmosphere. But the process wasn't over yet. A Mars-sized body, known as Theia, collided with Earth in a massive impact that would change the course of the planet's history. The impact caused the Earth's surface to melt and solidify, forming the Moon and giving birth to the oceans and atmosphere as we know it. The Earth's early atmosphere was primarily composed of methane, ammonia, and water vapor. As the planet cooled, it is believed that the oceans formed, and the atmosphere gradually changed to become more similar to the one we have today, primarily made up of nitrogen and oxygen. The emergence of life on Earth is still a mystery, but scientists believe that it began around 3.5 billion years ago, with the formation of simple single-celled organisms. Over time, these organisms evolved and diversified, eventually giving rise to the diverse array of life that we see today. In conclusion, the origins of Earth are a fascinating and complex story that is still being unraveled by scientists. From the formation of the solar system to the emergence of life, the planet has gone through a series of dramatic changes that have shaped it into the unique world that we know today.
Thanks for watching Timeline Earth.